Hi beauties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today we're going to be diving into another declutter for you guys. Today I really need to go through my lashes and get rid of some. I have so many new lashes that I do not have room for, and I need to make some room for them today. Personally, I really love watching declutters myself, and filming them is very fun as well. I love being able to organize my makeup in front of you guys. Organize my makeup is like one of my favorite things to do, so to be able to share it with y'all is so fun. I'm not going to ramble for much longer, but before we jump into the video, you guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this declutter. Okay, beauties, so these are the lashes that I need to put up. These are like newer ones that I've just recently got. And this is my first lash drawer. It's a hot mess right now. And this is my second lash drawer. So I'm really hoping to go through this and get rid of some that I don't use anymore so we can make space for the newbies. Alrighty beauties, I really hope that this is set up well so that you guys can see everything perfectly. I had to put my phone like really high up to get this good angle, so I hope it's good enough for you guys. Alrighty you guys, I'm gonna start with this drawer, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start taking out some lashes that I don't want anymore or that I am not gonna use anymore. So as you guys can tell, I'm obsessed with Ioni lashes. These are the Dollar Tree lashes, and I have so many pairs of them that I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of some of these. I have a friend that can't find any at her Dollar Trees, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these aside so that I can give them to her. I know I'm probably not going to get rid of any of these Ioni lashes. Like, I love them so much. I just got rid of a few to give to a friend. I'll probably get rid of this pair because they're old and I don't really wear them anymore. But other than that, I'm probably going to keep all the rest of them. I freaking love Ioni lashes, and I also love to use them on clients as well. These Ioni lashes here were in the back of my drawer. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. These ones are actually for my friend because these are her name, so I got them for her. Now I have all of my Lash & Co lashes, and I'm probably not going to get rid of any of these, honestly. I love all of these lashes so much. So most of them are colorful ones too, so these are like really the only colorful lashes I have, so I'm probably going to keep them all. This pair right here is literally one of my absolute favorite pairs from Lash & Co. It's in the style Angel Wings. I literally just wore these for a look not too long ago, but I love this pair. Okay, so I did pick two out. I'm going to get rid of these two just because I do need to make space for these other lashes, and I don't really wear these two enough, so I'm going to go ahead and put these aside. But all the rest of my Lash & Co. I will be keeping, so they will all stay right here. Next, we have Estate lashes, and I really do like these lashes a lot. They're super pretty. This one is my favorite pair. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's got like some blues in there, and it's super cute. So we're definitely keeping this pair. I also want to keep this pair just because they're really cute and fluffy. These ones are in the style Booty Call. These two are super cute, but they have like a clear lash band, and I don't really like that, so I'm going to get rid of these. This is where we are at so far. So we still have these lashes to go through, and I have a few back here. Next I have these Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes, and I don't really wear these, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. My Zorua Cosmetics lashes, these ones are in the style Nevada, and these have to be one of my favorite pair of lashes ever. They're just so beautiful, and I love the way that they're flared out, so these are definitely staying. Next, I have three pair from Y-Chan Cosmetics, and I absolutely love their lashes. They're super huge and beautiful, but I do not wear these enough anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. Here we have two pair of my Lavish Beauty Boutique lashes, and oh, I can never get enough of my Lavish Beauty Boutique lashes. These babies are not going anywhere. They're staying right at home in the drawer. Here I have two pair of lashes that I've literally kept all this time. For sentimental reasons, I can't really wear these anymore because I've just worn them so much that they're just so messed up, but I absolutely love these lashes. They're so pretty. These were some of the first lashes that I've ever received in PR, and I loved them until the end. I'm not gonna lie. I love these lashes so much, but I need to stop keeping things for sentimental reasons and get rid of these so I can make some more room in my drawer. But look at this packaging, y'all. Isn't that just so cute? Right here I have a bunch of lashes from the Cosmetic Connect, and for some reason they blocked me on Instagram, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these away. Here I have a beautiful pair of Shut Up and Slay lashes. Oh my gosh, these are my only pair of Shut Up and Slay lashes, but they are so bomb and fluffy and beautiful. These are in the style Spaz Out, and I absolutely love these lashes, so I'm gonna keep them. Here I have a ton of lashes from Embe Lash. I love Embe Lash, but I really don't use these enough. I am going to keep a couple of these just because they are so freaking pretty and I need to use them more. I'm going to keep this pair. This pair is Heavenly. I'm going to keep that one for sure. I'm going to get rid of this pair, Dreamy. Rain, I'm going to get rid of that one too. Ooh, these ones are so fluffy. I don't know. Supernova and Gentle. Okay, so I'm going to keep Adore, Supernova, Heavenly, and that's it. Those are the three that I'm going to keep. So these three right here, we are doing such a good job. I'm so proud of myself. We are getting to the end of the drawer. Right here, I have a pair of my D-Star lashes in the style Paige. I love Paige. She's a YouTuber actually, and she lives in the town like right over from me. I really love these lashes. I haven't worn them in a while, and they're actually pretty messed up. Like, they're old. Probably can't wear them anymore, but I kind of want to keep them. I'm sorry. And then I have Zorora Cosmetics lashes in the style Queen. I don't really wear these ones too much either. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these ones. Next, I have a pair of these Nora and Rose Cosmetics lashes. These ones are in the style Candy. I don't believe this brand is around any longer, and I don't really wear these lashes much, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. And then right here, I have two pairs of my AmoreLash.com lashes. These ones are in the style Mini and Mirage. I absolutely love these lashes. I do not use them enough. I really need to start using these. I'm going to keep both of them. They're just so beautiful and big, and I love them so much. Alrighty, beauties, right off the bat, in this drawer, I know that I am keeping all of my Lavish Boutique lashes. I love these lashes so much, y'all. They're not going anywhere. Here I have two pair of lashes from Lenny Beauty, and they are super beautiful, but you guys, I need to make room, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. Here I have two more pair of White Cosmetics lashes, and these ones are super old. I started using these pair as like some bottom lashes, but these ones are super old and super messed up, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. Here I have a pair, and I don't even remember where these are from at all. They have no logo on them or anything. They're super beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and put these in my giveaway pile for one of you guys to win. Here I have a pair from Sugar Lash. I've used these up quite a bit, especially when I first got them, and they are super pretty. I don't use them much anymore. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the maybe pile because it's going to be hard to part with these ones. Here I have a beautiful pair from Lavish Beauty Los Angeles. I can no longer find them on Instagram or anything like that, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. Here I have two gorgeous pair of Glamnetic lashes. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are like the magnetic lashes that you put on with the magnetic eyeliner, and I really do love these lashes, so I'm going to go ahead and keep these ones. Here I have a pair of Prettyfy lashes. These ones are in the style Sugar. These are so beautiful. I love the way that they're spaced out and fluffy. I'm keeping these for sure. Here I have three pair of my Dark Magic Cosmetic lashes, and unfortunately she is not in business anymore. I wish she was though. Oh my gosh, these lashes are so bomb. I'm gonna keep this pair right here in Poison because they're green, and green's my favorite color, and these are just gorgeous lashes. I've used these lashes quite a bit, and as you can tell, this one's like missing. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these two just because I don't really use them anymore, and they're pretty old. Here I have three pairs of lashes from Via Lash. I love their lashes. They're so beautiful. I'm only going to keep these two just because they're newer ones and I really like them. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one so we can make some space. So this is what we have going on now. Right here I have two Wet n Wild lashes. These ones I've actually worn before and I will probably never wear them again, so I'll go ahead and get rid of these ones. But these ones are super cute and they have little jewels on them, and I've never worn them before, so I'm going to go ahead and keep these ones. Right here I have two sets of lashes from Lashico. This is their Naughty and Nice set from, I think, Christmas last year, 2020. And these are just so pretty. I love these lashes so much. And I think right now she has them on sale, actually. So you guys better run and get you guys some of these because they are the bomb. Right here I have a few pair of lashes from a brand that I no longer work with, and I don't wear these anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of these. Right here I have a few pair of lashes that are old that I was using to like cut up for bottom lashes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. Here I have this huge lash set, and my boyfriend's mom gave me this for Christmas. I honestly just don't think I'll ever get around to using them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a pile so I can give them to somebody else so they can get some use out of them. Here I have a set of lashes. There used to be 3 of them in here, but now there's only 1. From Zerora Cosmetics. This is the Lily set. I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of the 1 pair of lashes that's left in them, even though they are super pretty. They're just taking up space. Right here I have a few pairs of lashes from Pretty Wink Cosmetics, and I already know that I want to keep this pair. This pair is the style Drama, and this is like one of my favorite pairs from her. They're so gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these ones because I don't wear them that much. Here I have a pair of lashes from La Luna Cosmetics, and these ones are super fluffy and pretty. I'm gonna put these in the maybe pile. Here I have a pair from Dahlia Cosmetics, and I have 2 more pairs right here. These lashes are so pretty. I absolutely love Dahlia Cosmetics lashes, but I need to get rid of some lashes. Which ones do I want to keep? Which ones do I keep? I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this pair right here, and I'm gonna keep these 2 pairs. This pair is so gorgeous, and I love them so much. And this pair I honestly don't think I've tried yet, so I need to try those. And then right here I have 2 pairs of Glam Light lashes, and I love to wear these like when I'm going out to places and stuff like that, so I'm definitely keeping these. All right, now that this drawer is empty, I'm gonna go ahead and empty out the other drawer, and then I'm gonna take some disinfecting wipes and just clean out the bottom of these drawers because they are a little dirty. I'm gonna start organizing the lashes, putting them in the drawer. I'm gonna speed up this part so the video isn't too long. Alrighty beauties, so this is the first drawer of lashes. She is looking gorgeous and organized. And this is the second drawer of lashes. She is also looking organized, and look at all that space. We will not have to do another eyelash declutter in a very long while, and that's a good thing because I'm an eyelash hoarder. And this is all the lashes that I am getting rid of today. Like, you guys have no idea how happy I am with myself right now. I'm horrible at getting rid of makeup, horrible at it, but these declutters have helped me so much getting through more of my makeup and getting rid of some things that I don't need anymore, so I'm very proud of myself. I am so sorry if this was a long declutter. I try to cut them down as much as I can. But other than that, I love you beauties so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a pink heart in the comments if you stayed here to the end. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you beauties.